everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this Halloween look inspired by Lydia Deetz from Beetlejuice. It's just a couple of products, goes on really fast, really simple. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So this is Fair Lady T1C by Woma Beauty. This is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I'm just taking a very little bit. I just want to lighten the skin tone because she had a very ghostly, kind of sickly look. So just throw that all over. You don't need a lot of it. Now I'm going in with Angela from Woma Beauty. This is just a lipstick. And I start just by throwing in that dark under eye. Throw it all underneath. One swipe up. Let's get that like hallowed look. Hallowed look? I don't know if that's right, but we're gonna go with it. Swipe it across. You want to pull that out. Then with your finger, kind of pat that out. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to create that shadowy effect. There. The same color to hollow out the cheeks. I go from kind of where the top of your ear starts to about there, almost to where the corner of your eye is. I'm gonna bring it to about there. And then just tap, tap, tap. And I blend more up. And you can marry those two. Same color, Angela. Throw that all over. Just blur the lines with your fingertip. That's that. Now a Zero from Urban Decay. I'm just gonna deepen that bottom lash line. You can blend it. It's gonna mix with the lipstick that you applied, so not really necessary. And then I'm gonna throw it just on the inner part of the mouth. Just to create a little bit more depth, a little bit more of like a dead look. And you want to keep that right on that inner part of the lip. Mascara, I'm using Drama Bomb by Woma. Load up the top and the bottom. I'm going to set everything with the transparent powder by It Cosmetics. This is Bye Bye Pores. And then this way you'll get that more matte effect and it'll set the makeup so it'll wear longer throughout the day or the party, whatever. And that's pretty much it. Then I just throw on something that's black and kind of gothic. If you have a wide brim hat, that helps. And a little prop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try this out for Halloween, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if this is helpful for you. If there are any other tutorials that you would like to see from me, please also let me know. I link all of the products in the description box below. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.